Okay, algebraic expressions multiplying binomial expression with another binomial expression. Binomial matlab 2x plus 3 multiplied by 3 minus 2x. These are both, there are two expressions here and two expressions here. Simple. First take 2x and multiply it by 3 minus 2x, which is here 2x multiplied by 3 minus 2x. Then take plus 3 multiplied by 3 minus 2x. So this is what it is. So now we already know that we write down here 3 into 2x and minus 2x into 2x, minus 2x into 2x and 3 into 2x. And here we have 3 into plus 3 and minus 2x into plus 3, which we have written down here. 3 into 2x is 6x minus 4x square plus 9 minus 6x. Okay, now we see the like terms. 6x plus 6x and minus 6x will cancel. We have minus 4x square plus 9 that is remaining. So that is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, now suppose we have three binomials. 2x plus 3 multiplied by 3x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. So what we do is first we multiply these two. The answer we have already got is minus 4x plus 9. And then we multiply this by the third one, x minus 1. And the answer will be minus 4x cubed plus 4x square plus 9x plus 9, which we can write after simplifying is 4x square plus 13x plus 9. So that's how you multiply three monomials. Now suppose we have say four binomials. Okay, so what you do is first you multiply these two, then you multiply these two, and their answers you can multiply again. So if you have say 4 binomials, then you can multiply two binomials and two binomials and get and then multiply the results of each one of them. So this is multiplying binomials with another binomial.